In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quotes estimates in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clear, professional quote and send it to your customer with confidence. First, head into Xero and open the sales area. This is your hub for everything related to customers and revenue. From there, go to Quotes. This page lists your existing quotes and their statuses so you can quickly see what's awaiting approval or has expired. Start a fresh quote by selecting New Quote. You'll land on a clean form designed to capture the essentials. Begin by choosing the contact. Pick the customer you're quoting so Xero can populate their details on the document. Take a quick moment to visually confirm the contact information looks right. Accurate details help avoid delays later. Next, set the expiration date. Many businesses use 7, 14, or 30 days. Choose a time frame that fits your workflow and the complexity of the work. An expiry date sets expectations and creates a natural prompt for your customer to respond before pricing or availability changes. Add a reference. This could be a job code, a project name, or a customer's purchase order number. Keeping this concise and consistent makes searching and reporting much easier down the line. Now, select the item. Choose the relevant product or service from your items list. Xero will pull in the description, unit price, and tax settings tied to that item. Adjust the quantity, price, or discount if needed to match the scope of work. If clarity helps, refine the description so the customer fully understands what's included and what isn't. Enter your terms. This is where you outline key conditions like payment terms, delivery timelines, or assumptions that matter for this quote. Keep it clear and professional. The goal is to prevent misunderstandings. When everything looks good, click Send. This opens the sending screen where you can customize the email details. Here, edit the message to make it informative and friendly. A brief summary of what you're quoting, a reminder of the expiration date, and a thank you note can go a long way toward faster approvals. Once your message reads the way you want, click Send again to dispatch the quote to your customer. Xero will record the activity and update the quote status so you can track it easily. That's the full process. Sales, quotes, new quote, fill in the details, send, personalize the message, and send it off. Keep your items accurate, use meaningful references, and choose sensible expiration periods, and you'll have a smooth, repeatable quoting workflow in Xero.